Hi guys, and welcome to today's live intraday trading analysis video for the day. So in this video, I'll be talking about what stock I have traded today and where I've taken the entry, and I'll be giving you a brief analysis. Okay, and this trade was done by using my unique strategy without any indicators. So as you guys can see, today we have traded on IFCA Lab. Okay, so according to my study and the strategy, this stock was triggered both buy and short sell level. Okay, so 1102 was a short sell level which I took in the morning around 9:25 a.m. So once the sell was triggered, according to my study and the strategy, the stock has given a target and it has made a low of 1096. Okay, so sell side target has been hit here, so almost like 0.5% of the stock, and later 1112 was a buying side according to my study and the strategy, and that was triggered somewhere around here. If you guys can see, around 12:30 to 1 o'clock, around that range, that has been triggered. Okay, so around 12 o'clock it has been triggered, if you guys can see the buy side, and once that has triggered, you can see here the stock has gone up and made a high of 1119. Okay, so both buying side and selling side target has been achieved for the day, and as you guys saw, we traded without any indicators by simple technique. So if you guys want to learn all this concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading and want to learn how to select the right stock for the trading and want to get a proper entry and a live market support, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. So the main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader, and also you get personal live market support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. Okay, so you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the Nifty 50 analysis for the day. So firstly, we'll see how the Nifty 50 has opened for the day. So this is how the pre-open market opened for the day. So it just opened exactly where it has closed yesterday. Okay, and advanced stocks were 24 and declines were 17 and unchanged were 9 stocks. So not much of an gap up or a gap down in the pre-open market strategy. It just opened flat like where it has closed yesterday, but you can see how bullish the market has performed for the day. Okay, so from here you can see the market has gone straight up and it has closed at 0.62% up for the day by gaining 147 points. So the overall market from last 2 to 3 days, you can see the market is straight up. Okay, so not sure when the correction is going to happen, but even today the market was in a very good bull move. Okay, so this is how the market has performed for the day, and let's see how the sectoral indices has performed for the day. So the main sectoral indices, so yes, of course, all the indices are almost given a decent kind of movement, but there are few indices which has declined also, and the most declining indices for the day is Nifty Metal with 1.45% down, and the next comes as Nifty Reality with 1.43% down, and you can see all the other indices are in the greener side. Okay, so this is how the overall Nifty 50 performance and sectoral indices as performed for the day. Okay, so this was the today's trade, and if you guys want to learn from me, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.